So guys, you are playing Elden Ring and unfortunately you are facing this problem. It says cannot start multiplayer session in offline mode. So select single player in expedition type. So how you are supposed to select single player? So it's pretty simple. So let me show you what I mean. So when you are in this round table, it's the beginning of the game. So you have to press F, okay, in if you are using keyboard, and just press F. And once you are in this section, there will be this settings which says matchmaking settings. You simply have to scroll down and select from the multiplayer you need to select single player. Press this arrow, and this is pretty much it. Now go to targets and press this, and you simply have to press F, okay. So I'm gonna press F. There we go. So it's that simple. Let's wait. Alright, so yeah, this is how you get out of that island. Basically I was trying to get out of that island. Now I got it. So hope this video was helpful, and yeah, enjoy this legendary game. Thanks for watching.